Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel and today samahan niyo po kami sa another adventure here in Broome, Western Australia. Broome is known for its beautiful beaches, sunsets, and camel safari. Pero did you know that Broome also has a fascinating history, especially when it comes to the pearl industry? First place that we visited was Chinatown, one of the historic areas of Broome. Broome's history is closely connected to the pearling industry. During the late 1800s and early 1900s, pearl shell became a major industry in the town, and Broome eventually became one of the world's important pearling centers. Pero what I found really interesting was learning about the Asian divers and workers who played a huge role in Broome's pearling history. People came from different parts of Asia, including Japan, the Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, and China, to work in the pearling industry. Japanese divers, in particular, became highly regarded for their diving skills. They would dive underwater to collect pearl shell, often working in very difficult and dangerous conditions. And I got a chance to wear yung helmet na sinusuot nila doon sa Chinatown. Because of this, Broome became a melting pot of different cultures, and you can still see the influence of these communities in the town today. As a Filipina, I found it especially interesting to learn that Filipinos were also part of Broome's pearling history. It makes you appreciate even more how different cultures helped shape this town. And of course, hindi mawawala ang mga beautiful pearls and pearl jewelry around Chinatown. Pero guys, sobrang mahal. Buti na lang din hindi ako masyado mahilig sa jewelry. So okay lang na wala nun. Broome is still famous for its pearls today. So if you're a pearl lover, definitely something to check out when you're here. Ang next stop namin ay ang Camel Safari. After learning about Broome's history, time naman for something completely different, camel riding. Isa ito sa mga experiences na gusto talaga naming subukan habang nasa Broome kami. Imagine riding a camel along the beach while enjoying the scenery. Very Australian adventure talaga. Pero may funny moment kami. Habang nakapila yung mga camel at ina-assign kung saan sasakay yung mga passengers, nakakatawa yung reaksyon ng camel na na-assign kay husband ko. As in, dalawa kami na nakapansin. Pagkasabi na dun si husband sasakay sa camel na yun, sobrang funny ng reaction ng camel. Sayang at hindi namin na video. Tiningnan niya si Alan at umiling-iling siya, parang sinasabi, "Boss, sure ka ba? Parang ang bigat naman yan." Nakakatawa talaga. Poor camel. Wala naman siyang choice, di ba? Pero those camel are alagang-alaga naman talaga. It was just funny yung reaction niya. It was such a unique experience and definitely one of those memories na matatawa kami every time we look back at the photos and videos. Pero honestly, I'd rather watch the camels kesa maging passenger. And finally, the crocodile farm. And honestly, this part was little stressful for me. Birthday ni husband nung nagpunta kami doon. Sabi ko kay husband, kailangan ba talaga nating pumunta dyan? Pero, yun na nga, part siya ng itinerary namin, so go na lang. I know they're fascinating animals and I was interested to learn more about them. Pero ibang feeling kapag nakikita mo na yung malalaki nilang katawan and those huge jaws right in front of you. Habang tinitingnan ko sila, ang nasa isip ko, okay, you stay there and I'll stay over here. Let's keep it that way. Pero wait, may ginawa pa pala kami na hindi ko akalain na gagawin ko. Nagpa-photo op kami holding a baby crocodile. Yes, baby crocodile siya, pero buwaya pa din, di ba? At first, kinakabahan talaga ako. I was thinking, paano kung kagatin ako, di ba? Pero since we were guided by the staff and it was part of the experience, I decided to give it a try. So there we were, smiling for the camera habang may hawak na baby crocodile. Honestly, I don't know if I was smiling because I was excited or because I was trying not to panic. And of course, after the photo op, I was more than happy to let the baby crocodile go back to the professionals. So those were the first adventures we have in Broome. From learning about the history of the pearling industry and the Asian divers who helped shape Broome, to riding camels along the beach hanggang sa seeing giant crocodiles, and even holding a baby crocodile for a photo, every experience gave us another story to tell. And that's what we love about traveling together. Thanks for joining us, and we will share more of our adventures and life here in Broome in our next videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us as we continue exploring Australia together. See you on our next adventure. God bless. Bye bye.